Just wanted to talk through just some sort of maintenance with the WeatherLink Live device like we've got here. So the really simple device, WeatherLink Live, and a very, very good device when it comes to longevity and troubleshooting, etc. Really don't get many problems with it at all. As you can see on this one, just a few things to talk through. You'll see it's got the blue flashing light on there. That basically means it's listening for a Bluetooth connection. Quite often you won't see a blue flashing light at all. Sometimes the blue flashing light's constant. If you do need to use the app to access it and do some configuration or some changes, just to wake that up, you can't actually see it, but there is a hidden button underneath the plastic there. So just pressing that, if that Bluetooth light isn't flashing, will actually wake the WeatherLink Live up. So literally just pushing your finger, hold it in, and then you'll see the blue flashing light. As I say, on some systems the blue flashing light seems to be constant. Other ones it doesn't come on at all until you press the button or try and connect to it on an app. But that's nothing to worry about at all. Just pressing the button in should give you a blue light to see if it's on or not. Occasionally we may ask you to do a reboot. So with the WeatherLink Live, there is no sort of on-off power button. To reboot it, what we would ask you to do is just remove the power cable. But you will see that on this one it's still flashing. So everybody should have the backup batteries installed. So this isn't actually being rebooted at the moment because it's still got the backup batteries in here. All the backup batteries do is if there's a mains failure or something like that, it will still keep recording data onto the WeatherLink Live. So if we need to do a quick reboot, what you'll need to do is take those 4 AA batteries out. So we should see at some point now, as you can see, the Bluetooth light has stopped flashing. So that will now be rebooting the device. Recommend probably leave it 1 or 2 minutes just for it to completely settle down, shut down. Once it's done that, literally put your batteries back in, close the battery door at the bottom. You'll see that the Bluetooth lights have started up, so it's restarting, and then put the mains cable back in, and that is as simple as that to reboot a WeatherLink Live device. Okay, just following on from our little discussion about WeatherLink Live and troubleshooting and things with that. Occasionally you may end up changing your Wi-Fi settings. There may be a new Wi-Fi network, or we might say, can you connect to a different Wi-Fi network? And how do you do that? Or we might say connect to Ethernet. So you can see it's got an Ethernet port in the back there. Just one point that we should note is that it doesn't work on 5 gig networks, wireless networks, so 2.4 wireless only for these devices, WeatherLink Live. So yeah, what we would want to do if you want to change the Wi-Fi settings or you want to change it to Ethernet is open the WeatherLink app, and then your station will be configured underneath the body. So if we select the body, first thing it does is it goes into devices. So any device with a little like wireless icon with a strike through it, there's a connectivity issue, but we're looking at this one here. So we go to ProData WeatherLink Live Office, which is this one here. And then what we want to do, so it says PWS WeatherLink Office, which is this, WeatherLink Live, and then we go Edit. And this is basically where we can do the device configuration. So specifically talking about wireless, we go into Network Settings, Edit Internet Connection, Connect, and then very cleverly, if you see on the device here, you'll see that we've gone from a flashing blue LED to a solid blue. That basically means that we've made that Bluetooth connection. And then here we, as simple as this is where you go through your settings. So for example, if you wanted to use Ethernet cable, you just select that and it'd switch the device over to Ethernet. Or if we want to continue using Wi-Fi, we basically hit that, and then it will find any, so that there's a 2.4 gigabit network that we're connected to, any others that are available. So obviously if you've got a new network, it should appear there. As I said, likewise, if you wanted to go to Ethernet, you're just going to select that and it suddenly enables the Ethernet port on there. And that is as simple as that to change those settings within the app. Just go through the step through with the Wi-Fi. You'd have to put your Wi-Fi code in or whatever security details you've got, and yeah, that should all connect, and then it will go off and do some testing in the background and secure the connection.